Hello, hello. What are today's messages? I shuffled the cards off camera. Let's see what we got. Take control. You're in charge. Approach this day with the power and authority of a CEO. Number 17, Eye of the Needle, intentionality. Good friends warm the soul. Take a moment to reach out to a friend you don't get to see or talk to very often. Let them know you are thinking of them. Share with them why you cherish your friendship with them. True friends are like sunlight. Bask in their glow and give thanks. It hurts to grow. As a child, you probably felt this physically when your shins ached with the effort of your bones stretching themselves out. Growth of all kinds is like that. Not everything that is good for us feels all that good, and even the right choice can hurt. Have you made any choices lately that hurt? The most important thing is to try and inspire people so that they can be great in whatever they want to do. Kobe Bryant. Reach out to someone who is working on something meaningful and congratulate them. Inspiration is the purest form of ecstasy. Have you ever experienced how perishable and fleeting inspiration is? Why not act on inspiration as soon as it arises? All right, and today's quotes. Let's pop this off. Have you ever had gut-wrenching regret when you realized your instincts were right all along, but you didn't listen? You can start listening now. I don't want that for myself anymore is enough. Your boundaries don't need an explanation. Remember that being healthy is much more than exercise and eating right. It's also about being around good people for you, having uplifting habits, letting go of attachments, embracing gratitude, and maintaining your growth. Ways to release negative thoughts. Journal. Which thoughts hold you back? See if you can trace them back to when they started. Focus on that time and see what needs to be healed. Meditate with your breath and consciously watch each limiting thought release from your body as you exhale. Repeat affirmations in replace of negative thoughts. Keep a gratitude journal and focus on what you appreciate and are grateful for. Normalize apologizing after you were wrong instead of being defensive and disrespectful because you're embarrassed. For a moment, suspend reality and pretend that the world is an equal playing field. We all have what we want and need. Then ask yourself, what is it that I truly want? What is it that I need to be happy? Answer these questions, write them down, then use what you've written down to look around at all that you have. The last one today. Forget injuries, never forget kindness. Today, reflect on a recent kindness shown to you. How did it impact you? All right, thanks for stopping by. See you in a couple days.